Hey everybody, this is Jim Buck with Black Series Camper in Southern California out of the City of Industry. We would just like to wish everyone a happy Thanksgiving from all of us here at Black Series Camper. So as we were sitting around talking about the holidays and things we've been doing with our family, one of the things we discussed was about stuffing turkeys. And so we came up with the idea of what goes into stuffing an HQ19. So behind me here, we actually have a brand new, fresh out of the container HQ19, still wrapped up just like Christmas practically. That's coming around the corner. But all around us, we have all of our parts. We got our suspension, that heavy duty suspension. We got our legs, we got our tires, we got refrigerators and microwaves and toilets and extinguishers and lights and TVs and jockey wheels and heaters and stoves. Oh my God, how much stuff can we stuff into an HQ19? If Black Series could stuff into an HQ19, how much stuff could Black Series stuff into the HQ19, right? Ask yourself that question. Have a great afternoon, everybody. Have a great Thanksgiving and enjoy your time with your family. That's what we enjoy, bringing families together, getting them back out to nature, just like Thanksgiving and holidays brings families back together. Have a great holiday. We'll see you out there, everybody. Get out and do your camping. Take care. This is Jim Buck, Black Series Camper in Southern California. We'll see you out there, everybody. Take care. Happy holidays.